Will Russia keep striking Ukraine after Moscow's drone attack? The answer is yes for now, because the Kremlin says it will continue hitting Ukraine, even after the biggest ever drone attack on the Russian capital. The immediate trigger is escalation. After the biggest ever drone attack on the Russian capital, Moscow said it will continue its strikes on Ukraine. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy then warned in his nightly address that Russia is preparing for a massive attack. That puts both sides on alert at the same time, with no sign the cycle is easing. For viewers, the key detail is simple. The war is not cooling down, it is moving into another round of retaliation. The damage is not limited to headlines from the capital. In Horlivka, a heavily damaged multi-storey residential building was photographed after an overnight attack that Russian-installed authorities described as a Ukrainian drone strike. That detail matters because it shows the war is still landing on civilian spaces, not just military targets. When residential blocks are left scarred like this, every new strike feeds the next one, and the pressure on both governments only grows. Zelenskyy is trying to hold the line while asking for outside help. He says Ukraine will need support if the war with Russia continues widening. At the same time, he was stripped of Poland's top honor, adding a political sting on top of the battlefield pressure. That combination matters because it shows Ukraine is fighting not just for territory, but for backing, legitimacy, and momentum all at once. The fallout is now reaching Russian institutions too. A Russia expert and fellow at Germany's University of Bremen told Al Jazeera that the Russian Orthodox Church's participation in the war could leave it facing the loss of its universal character and clout. That is a different kind of damage, less visible than a drone strike, but still tied to the war's expanding cost. The conflict is now reshaping politics, public symbolism, and power structures far beyond the front line. The big takeaway is that this is not a one-sided response cycle anymore. Moscow says it will keep striking, Zelenskyy says a massive attack is coming, and the battlefield is still hitting homes in places like Horlivka. The next thing to watch is whether the retaliation widens again.